Hey guys, Dan here. Just wanted to give you a quick look at my new UDS ugly drum smoker. Just got done building it and just seasoned it the other day. Let's take a look. So here it is. I designed and built my own hinges and handle. I've got some stainless latches, got my stainless valves. Got wheels. My third air intake there. Go ahead and open it up, take a look. So, see the hinge has built-in stops on it. So, of course, using the Weber grill grate, fits perfectly. And to hold up that grate, I used shelving brackets, welded them in, and cut down the actual support for the grate section. But it gives me tons of flexibility. I can add an extra grate if I want to. When you know, easy to take off and move. Using the cheap pizza pan from Walmart as my heat deflector. And just using another set of shelf supports to hold that up, also adjustable of course. And there is my charcoal basket. Go ahead and pull that out. Just used expanded metal and welded a couple bits of threaded rod to it for my legs, and then put another pizza pan on the bottom of that for my ashtray. See, that worked pretty well. So, and yeah, like I said, just finished seasoning it up. Set that back down in there. Yeah, I figured, like I said, show you guys, see what you think. But I think it turned out pretty good. Held temperature well yesterday using the Ready Check digital, dual probe thermometer. But yeah, tell me what you think. Thanks.